Hello, I'm Pete. I work for Groundwork West Midlands and I look after this, the Brickworks Nature Reserve. It is a little 22-acre mixed woodland wetland site owned by the Land Trust in Hensford, Cannock. The site itself is previously owned by the Colliery Board, used for mine waste and spoils, later remediated, planted and turned into this lovely little green oasis, and may have gone a little bit neglected over the years. We've taken on, and we're on a mission to restore old wetlands, ponds, woodland rides and meadow grassland across the site. So we're very grateful to the South Staff's Water PEBBLE Fund for allowing us to reinstate some of our woodland ponds. We have 22 small wetlands across the site. Many are hidden within the woodlands, overgrown and choked. So they've managed to create, this is the first one in a sequence, which has been lovely, and you've also allowed us to come and thin through a lot of our woodland. On the far bank we have another very long pond that, again, completely full by willow. It drains a lot of the water very quickly, and now we can get in there and start actively managing, making deeper areas as we go. A third element to the project is to allow woodland rides through our blocks of trees. This allows nice sheltered corridors for all our invertebrates and areas to restore woodland and grassland flora. So as a result of the work we've been conducting, we've gained a lot of new friends to the site, a lot more visitor activity. People think it's looking much more open, colourful, open, friendly, but on the same time we've got a much greater benefit to wildlife, wildflowers flowing through the sites now, lots of new paths for people to explore and get to learn their wildlife. And we also engage in the local young people, inspiring the next generation of ecological warriors by getting them in and pond dipping, bug hunting, bird hunting, all the good stuff that comes with a lovely local urban nature reserve.